Learn what a simple super soil recipe is and grow your plants like a pro with super soil in this video. A simple super soil recipe is the combination of soil in addition to some amendments used to supply optimal nutrients throughout the entire life cycle of a plant. There are great benefits of using simple super soil, such as long-lasting nutrient availability, it can be recycled, and so on. We will teach you how to make this amazing simple super soil recipe, so keep on watching. Know what a super soil recipe is. A super soil recipe is the mixture of various soil and amendments that contains adequate nutrients for all the life cycles of a plant. The mixture of super soil requires composting or a cooking process that can last around 1 to 3 months. The cooking process breaks down minerals and amends the soil from the beneficial bacteria this process produces. These beneficial bacteria create an ecosystem that will coexist with the root of your plant root system. How to make simple super soil recipe. Making simple super soil recipes is pretty easy. Just follow the following guideline and make yourself an amazing super soil. Ingredients. The following are the recipes required for making a simple super soil recipe for a 90-gallon soil. 6 by 8 tarp to hold soil. 5-gallon bucket. Shovel. Grow green filter water. 2 bags of base soil, root organic, which contains lots of beneficial ingredients. Half cup of dolomite. 1/4 cup of azomite for trace elements. Half cup of Epsom salt. 1 bag of cocoa coir. 5 pounds of bone meal or fish meal for phosphorus. 3 cups of kelp meal for feeding the microbes. 15 to 20 pounds of organic earthworm castings. 2 bags of regular potting soil. 1 bag of perlite to help with soil aeration. Steps to making simple super soil recipe. Step 1. Get your 5-gallon bucket and pour in the bone or fish meal, azomite, Epsom salt, dolomite, kelp meal, and mix them all up. Set the mixture aside. Now, get your tarp and spread it on the floor and pour out your organic base soil and add the earthworm casting. Add some perlite to help with soil aeration and mix them nice and even. Step 2. Get the mixed ingredients in the 5-gallon bucket and spread them on top of the mixture of earthworm casting and root organic. Add the regular potting soil and cocoa coir. Next, go ahead and mix with a shovel. Step 3. Grab your hose and sprinkle about 2 gallons of water. Make sure not to saturate the mixture, just wet it. Grab your shovel and mix. Cooking process. Once you're done mixing, you can transfer the mixture into 3 different 30-gallons buckets and allow it to cook. In this cooking process, the bacteria and fungi start breaking down amendments of the super soil. This process allows the nutrients in the soil mix readily available for your plants. Depending on how long you wish to grow your super soil, the cooking process can take around 1 to 3 months. If you're looking at growing just flowers, you can simply cook your soil for about a month. However, if you want to grow an entire seasonal crop, we recommend composting or cooking your super soil recipe for the full 3 months. When the process is completed, the final product is available to be used for outdoor or indoor cultivation. Benefits of using super soil. The benefits of using super soil include: no extra maintenance, all you need do is to water your plant weekly. No stress of continually adding nutrients because super soil already contains all growing nutrients required throughout the life cycle of your plant. Super soil is great for both indoor and outdoor growing use. Super soil can be reused and reconditioned every season. Thus it saves you the cost of buying or building new soil from the scratch. You will enjoy a long-lasting garden effect. The bottom line is making a simple super soil recipe is a great thing if you want a long-lasting nutrient availability for your plants. Your plants will enjoy a lifetime nutrient supply and you won't have to worry about adding extra nutrients. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.